Hey guys, here's the RPM Diecast, and today we have three 2-packs. We have got an older one. It's got the Nissan Sentra and the Nissan Silvia S13, and then we have two of the newer ones, the Porsche 2-pack with the 993 GT2 and the Porsche 718 Cayman, as well as the Datsun 2-pack. It's got the square body and the Sunny truck. So we're gonna get these unboxed. One thing before we start unboxing them, or maybe I'll just start cracking them now, is this one looks like you're looking through a fence, which I thought was really cool. It looks like you're looking through a fence into like a storage area or something. Really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go crack this one first. And I'm gonna crack it right now actually, because why not? Ooh, I almost dropped it. I love these Sunny trucks. Oh my goodness. Here's the Sunny truck. Now, I will be putting all these on a spinner just so you guys can get the up close. But here's just little preview. Detailed headlights, detailed taillights, as all of these have. Here's the this reminds me of like those 90s, those white 90s cups, you know, they look like this. But really cool, really nice. Sorry if I sound a little nasally, I'm a little bit sick. Yeah, next one we'll do is this Nissan 2-pack. This one here, Nissan Silvia. If you guys watch Initial D, you'll recognize this car. It's in there, in this color too. Like I said, though, I'll be doing close-ups for all these cars. This is the Sentra. And then next, last but not least, for the 2-packs is this Porsche one. This is the one I'm most excited for because it has this 993 GT2. Now this is, they've done this car before in the original Boulevards, like way back. It looks like this. We had a customer that has one, but I asked if I could use it for a video, but he said no. I don't blame him because it's quite expensive now to get, but this is one of my all-time favorite castings. Just gorgeous, big wide body kit on it. Super nice casting. And the next is the Cayman. Carbon fiber hood. Really nice castings. Now I'm gonna go pop these on the spinner. We'll get some up close footage just so you can see more of the details of the cars, and then we will come back and end this video off. well, those were the close-ups of the castings that I just opened. Now my favorite again, the Sunny Truck, the 993 GT2, two of my favorite castings. It's probably the two that I collect the most out of these, the ones that I've got. Like I've got the yellow one I just opened, and then I've got 6 other 993 GT2s, and one was including this Redline Club one. And then I have a bunch of more. Same with the Sunny Truck. I got quite a few of these. There's one from the Boulevard. There's a yellow one. Yeah, I think I've got 4. I think it's 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've got 4 of these now. Which they don't make a lot of Sunny Trucks. But yeah, really, really nice. And then the hard body. I know we got a customer who has a real hard body, so I got another one of these 2 packs. I'll probably just give to him. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget about our giveaway, the Super T Hunt and the R34 Skyline. You just got to leave your favorite casting down below. Doesn't have to be from these ones that I open. It can be just your favorite casting. And do not forget to keep on collecting.